Hi, and welcome to Blue Monkey Languages. In today's lesson, we will learn about the interrogative adjective. An interrogative adjective is a word of WH-type question which is used to interrogate anything in a sentence, and it transforms a noun simply by asking a question. The interrogative adjectives are three, and they are what, which, and whose. We use what when the options are unknown. For example, what dessert would you like? We use which when the options are known. For example, which pen do you like? And whose indicates possession or belonging. We can use it to ask who the owner of an object is. For example, whose birthday is it today? Great. Let's see some other examples. What movie do you want to see? What is your answer? Which phone do you use? Which coat do you want to buy? Whose plate was left on the table after breakfast? Whose car is this? Well done. Let's recap once more what interrogative adjectives are. As we mentioned, an interrogative adjective is a word of WH-type question which is used to interrogate anything in a sentence, and it transforms a noun simply by asking a question. There are three interrogative adjectives: what, which, and whose. What is used when the options are unknown. Which is used when the options are known. And whose indicates possession or belonging. Good job! Thank you for watching. Remember to watch this video at least twice, repeat and take notes. Download link for your lesson and exercise. Like and subscribe, and we will see you on our next lesson. Goodbye!